is up? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. Thank you so much for joining me today. As you guys can tell by the title, in today's video I'm going to be trying out and sharing with you guys this new app called Yi that is basically Monkey 2.0, and it's replacing the Monkey app. I did do a video kind of hinting at this video here, and like I mentioned in that video, today I am going to be just trying the app out with you guys and giving you guys a little bit of a tour of the app. If you guys want, you can follow me over on Instagram. I'll have it linked down below. I will be doing some giveaways over on there coming up really soon, so be sure to follow me over there. But without further ado, we're just gonna go ahead and jump right into it. If you want to download this app and check it out, I'll have it linked in the description box. Being that we're all supposed to be quarantining and self-isolating and social distancing, it's a really good time for this app. It's just another way to connect with people and meet new people and interact with them in a different way. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull up the app on my phone and show you guys what it's like. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull the app up on my phone. As you guys can see, there's basically a normal section, kind of how the Monkey app is, where you can just video chat with random people. On the bottom, you'll see your different tabs. The lightning bolt is where you can like meet different people and just talk to different people for like 10 seconds and just video chat. But as you can see, you can also text here. They have that feature as well now. And then they have your messaging and I guess your friends, but I just downloaded this app, but I did use the same number for my Monkey app, so it might have just carried over, but I don't really know who any of these people are anyway. And then the next section is basically, I think, let me turn this down. Is basically, I think, like a modern Tinder, but I don't really use Tinder, so I'm not really interested in this feature, but I'm sure a lot of you guys out there might be. But basically, you can like see people on here and you swipe right and swipe left, but I'm just gonna swipe left to everybody because I'm just currently not really interested. But as you guys can see, it's like a different feature on the app. So you can actually see like people, their faces, their age, a little bit about them, and I guess you can see if you connect with them and actually want to talk to them. But for me, that kind of takes away the fun of the app, where you can like just meet random people and talk to random people for like a short amount of time. But I do think it is a really cool feature because I think a lot of you guys out there will probably enjoy it. Just me personally, this is more like entertainment and fun. But for the purpose of this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how it works. They do have now where it has to like scan your face to make sure you're like appropriate and you're not doing anything crazy before you get on here. I don't really know what I'm going to say. We're just going to see how this goes. Yo. What's up? How you feeling?
I'm doing good. How are you doing?
Doing pretty good. How's this quarantine treating you?
It's crazy. When I had time.
Go ahead. Stopped it. My bad. See. Yo. Then you get the weirdos, guys. Alright, let's try them. Success. We're gonna see if we can find somebody normal, hopefully. Yo. What's up? How are you? Good. Where are you from? Yeah, how's the weather out there? What's that mean? Shh. And now you can talk to two people at once. Yo.
What's up, girl? You got your edges laid. You finna go to a party.
You know, quarantine party. We keeping it safe. How you guys feeling?
Good. How about yourself?
I'm feeling good. You say you got your edges laid? Let's see. Yo.
Hello.
Hello. What's up?
Good. Where you from?
I'm from New York. Where are you from?
I'm from England.
What's the weather like out there?
It's wet and cold.
Yeah, here too. It's wet and cold here too. So as you guys can see, you can just basically do the same thing as Monkey app and just talk to random people. They do have now where you can, like you see, do group, so you can actually talk with two people at once. So I guess if like you and your friend wanted to talk with random people together, you can go ahead and do that, which again, being that, you know, we're social distancing and staying in the house, it's pretty cool. Yeah. What's up?
Hello.
How are you?
I'm good. How about you?
Good. Where are you from?
I'm from Netherlands.
Go ahead. What's the weather like out there?
I mean, now it's stress, but one roast go. Roast me.
You want me to roast you?
Yeah.
Boy, stop. Nah, I don't want to roast you. I'm a nice person, but you're making a YouTube video?
No, no, no.
You just want me to roast you? You want to shout yourself out for my YouTube video?
Oh my god, do you have a YouTube video?
Yeah. You want to be in it? No.
Not really. What's your YouTube channel though?
It's Ariana.Ava. Yeah.
Okay, I just added you.
Word. But go check it out. You might be in the video. You should shout yourself out so people can see what's up. Aight.
Maybe like this. Wait,
Aight.
edit it like this.
Aight.
Yeah, thanks.
Alright, shout out to you. Have a good day. People are cool. I had a normal person. That was good. Las Vegas. Hello?
What you cheat on me for?
Guys, my camera died, but I plugged it back in and charged my battery for a little bit. So we're gonna go in here and do a few more calls, see how this goes. I don't really have anything to ask people. I never know what to do on here. Like, foreigner. Hello? Yo. What's up?
Every time I got a question.
What's your question?
Every time it's a long question.
He said, at time I got a question. Boy, what's your question? Like, are funny. I was trying to be nice to her. I was like, hey, what's up? Yo. Hello.
Yo.
Yo, what's up?
Yeah.
Can I see you guys? Where are you from?
We look like shit.
It's okay. Like, what?
We just woke up.
How old are you?
I'm 21. How old are you?
My age.
How old are you guys?
I'm 18.
I'm 21.
Yeah, where are you from?
We're from Elko.
Wait, where?
Elko.
I don't know what that is. Oh, I'm from New York though. How's the weather there? Is it nice? It's like rainy here.
It's pretty warm out here.
Oh, that's lit. Well, I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day and your quarantine. Talk to you guys later.
Yeah, you too.
Thanks.
Alright.
Guys, my camera wants to die on me again, so unfortunately that will be it for this video. If you guys want to try out Yi for yourselves, I'll have the link down below in my description box so you guys can click on it directly and just download the app and try it out. I definitely recommend to just check out this app if you're just bored or you want to meet new people, you want to entertain yourself, or just do something and have fun either by yourself or with your friends. And the new features on the app, like being able to do group chatting and talking to like 2 people at once, and also the feature where you can swipe right and left and actually connect with people that you see and like read a little bit about, is also pretty cool. So definitely be sure to check it out if you're interested. Everything that you need to know and all the links and everything will be in the description box right down below. If you guys are interested, this hair is from D Soar Hair. I'll have it linked down below, as well as the link to my video all about this hair in case you're interested. And as always, I'll have my Instagram link down below. If you made it to the end of the video, I love you so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Mwah. Bye, guys.